morning. Wake up. Look at the watch. What's the time? Wave your hand. We wave our hands when we wish someone. Welcome to a wonderful morning. Wow, look at the weather. It's so pleasant. Weather, welcome, wake up, wonderful. Wow, wave. What is the beginning sound of all these words? Wa. Which letter says wa? W. So today we are going to talk about the letter W and the weather.
I am so excited to talk about the different types of weather. See, I have made a weather clock. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes cloudy, or windy, or rainy. See the bright sun. It shows sunny. Can you see these clouds? It's cloudy, rainy, and sometimes it's windy.
I'm going to show you how to make W in sign language. You have to show 3 fingers up. That's it. Doesn't it look like W?
Now let's write the letter W in the air.
With your magic printing finger. From the top down, make a slanting line, go up, down and up. Which letter is this? W. And what is the phonic sound of W? W. We make our lips round like you kiss your mama. W. What is the difference between the sound of V and W? When we pronounce the phonic sound of the letter V, we bite our lower lip. Va. But when we make the phonic sound of the letter W, we make our lips round. Wa. Wa. Look at the window and look. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy out today? So let's sing a song on weather. Come on. The sun comes up, 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 up. And the rain comes down, 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 down. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny. Sunny. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Cloudy. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's snowy. 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 How's the weather? How's the weather? It's rainy. Rainy. It's rainy. Rainy. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. Wah, wah, wah. Wibble, wobble, walrus. Wah, wah, wah. Wah is the sound of W. What is this? Wah, wah, wall.
Now let's open our phonic reader to page number 20 and 21. Let's read together. This is the uppercase W and this is the lowercase w. They both look the same, but they are different in the size and they make the same sound. Wa. Now let's read. Wa wa watermelon. Wa wa web. Wa wa worm. Wa wa wolf. Wa wa wand. Wa wa wall. woman, well, walrus, wasp, wax, washerman, weightlifter, wagon, window, washing machine, walnut, watch. Now let's frame some sentences. Walrus live up to 40 years in the wild. The spider makes a web. Worms have 5 hearts. This is a magical wand. Our house has many walls. We wash our clothes in a washing machine. A wagon is used to carry goods. I have a wooden window in my room. You can also try making simple sentences. Now open your English writing book B to page number 14. First write the date, that is 21st June 2021. Let's learn how to write uppercase W. Let's trace first. Start from the first red line, come down towards your right in a slant line and touch the second blue line. Without lifting your pencil, now go up away from the first slant line, touch the first red line. Now again come in a slant line and touch the second blue line. Go up again in a slant line and touch the first red line. This is how we make uppercase W. Let's see it one more time. From the top down, make a V and another V. So W has 2 V's. W makes the sound W. After completing the page, draw 4 pictures that begin with the sound of the letter W. I have drawn watermelon, wall, well and a watch. You can draw any picture of your choice. And like this, complete the work and submit your work. Happy learning!